rhombus, the first conclusion is all sides are equal in magnitude. All sides are equal in magnitude. Okay. The next thing, here they were given the diagonals are 12 meters and 16 meters. Okay. The shortest diagonal is 12 meters and the longest diagonal is 16 meters. The thing, the characteristics and features of a rhombus is almost like a parallelogram. Almost like a parallelogram, but not exactly same as parallelogram. Another thing, the opposite sides are parallel with each other. Okay, these two are parallel and these two are also parallel with each other. All sides are equal in magnitude. And here what they are saying is the diagonals. One is 12 meters. So this one is 12 meters. The thing, in a rhombus, diagonals will bisect each other. Diagonals will bisect each other. That means if the total length is 12 meters, that will evenly split it as two portions. So this one should be 6 meters. This one should be 6 meter exactly. Because the thing, diagonals in a rhombus, diagonals will bisect each other. Okay, this diagonal will bisect this one. Similarly, this diagonal will bisect this length into two equal portions. Similarly, the longest diagonal is 16 meters now. So that can be splitted as 8 meters and 8 meters. I told you only one change, okay, only one difference between parallelogram and rhombus. In parallelogram, when we consider about parallelogram, these two diagonals will bisect each other. That's the same. But here, in a rhombus, all these intersection angles are right angles. Okay, all the intersection angles are right angles. But when we consider about a parallelogram, these diagonals will bisect each other. The area will bisected by the diagonals. Those are the same thing. But here, not all the angles are right angles. Okay, not all the angles are right angles. But in a rhombus, only distinct thing with the parallelogram, that is, the intersection of diagonals will give you two pairs of right angles. Two pairs of right angles. Two pairs means totally four right angles. Two pairs of right angles. That means totally we will receive the intersection. At the intersection point, there are four right angles. So here you can see there are four right angles and there are four right triangles too. Four right triangles too. We can use Pythagoras theorem in any one of these triangles to find the side length of this rhombus. Okay, side length of this rhombus. That's all for this question. Okay, let's find this. Here the theorem says in a rhombus, diagonals will bisect each other and that will create two pairs of right angles. So there are four right angles here. You can see there is a right triangle. In this right triangle, we know the adjacent side length and opposite side length. We need to find the hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse is our side length of this rhombus. Okay, side length of this rhombus. Let's consider it as A. Okay, so hypotenuse kya? A square equals to, in this triangle, 8 square plus 6 square. So A square, 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36. So A square equals to 100. To find A, we need to find the square root of 100. What is square root of 100? That is 10. Okay, 10. The unit is meters. Unit should be in meters. This is the way you should find side length of this rhombus. Okay, the thing you should know about rhombus, when the diagonals bisect, there are four right triangles. There are four right angles. So you will receive the rhombus and Pythagoras theorem in a combined question. Okay, this is the way you have to approach this question to find out the magnitude.